Installing the Hytec Acrylic Bathtubs with integral aprons. This video demonstration is for both single flange and double flange bathtubs. For this installation, you will need the following tools and materials: screwdriver, drill, level, self-tapping screws for steel studs, wood screws for wood studs, sealant gun. Before going ahead, please pause the video and carefully read the instructions for the planning stage, as they are critical for the installation of your integral apron bathtub. Caution: observe all local plumbing and building codes when using electrical products. Basic safety precautions should always be followed. Place the bathtub in the framing pocket. Please make sure the bathtub is leveled before continuing. In order to do this, place the level on the deck of the tub and check the bubble position. If the bubble is not at the center, adjust the level of the bathtub with the help of the adjustable feet. Note: if shims, grout, or mortar mix are used to support and level the tub, please visit our website or call customer service for technical support and additional information about these methods. Caution: failure to drill clearance holes may result in stress cracks in the acrylic finish. Once satisfied with the local and level, with the help of a drill, mark and drill clearance holes in the nailing flange, aligning them with the center of the studs. Insert screws through the drilled holes with the help of a screwdriver. Use wood screws for wood studs and self-tapping screws for steel studs. After the tub is installed, proceed with the installation of the water-resistant backing board. Our recommended drywall system for tile being used as the finished surface is to place the bottom of the drywall on the top of the flange. After the drywall is fixed, position the tiles against the drywall. Note: all Whirlpool units are factory tested for operation and leaks, but must be checked for leaks, etc. before being finally closed in or tiled. Please make sure there is a gap between the tiles and the tub deck. With the help of a sealant gun, apply sealant such as silicone, making sure the void is completely filled. The same process applies for both single flange and double flange bathtubs. Single flange bathtub has one flange and double flange bathtub has two flanges as shown. Parts as installed visible or highlighted at this intersection are framing steel studs, 1/2-inch back-a-board, wood screws for wood studs or self-tapping screws for steel studs, bathtub, tiles, sealant. Before filling the tub for the first time, remove all construction residue and foreign materials and rinse with clean water to avoid introducing contamination or grit into the piping and pump. Refer the user care and maintenance guide for keeping your tub or shower in as new condition.